Prices are rising, and you want to know how you can get things such as your Netflix for free. In this video, I will explain how much money you need to invest and where so that you can have Netflix for free. So, how does this work? When investing in stocks, the prices can go up or down, but there are also stocks such as Apple that pay the shareholders a thing called dividends. Instead of growing the business bigger, they pay their shareholders a piece of the money they have earned. An example is Apple. They pay an annual dividend of 0.34%. This means that if you have $100 worth of Apple shares that you will get 34 cents a year. I know that this might not seem like a lot, but the money you have stuffed under your mattress or in an old sock is making zero money. Not all stocks pay dividends, but there are a lot that do. When trying to find a good dividend stock, you should look for one that has been paying dividends for a while because it is more likely to not stop paying shareholders dividends. A stock that is great for this is 3M. 3M has a large history for more than 100 years of paying dividends, so is more likely to not stop doing this. There is another stock that has been paying dividends for more than 30 years, but I will cover that after 3M. So before we start looking for how much money we need to invest, we need to know how much Netflix costs a month. For the package with ads, it is $7.99 a month, and without ads, it is $17.99 a month. 3M has an annual dividend of 1.80%. Netflix costs $95.88 a year with ads. This means that you need to have $5,326.66 invested in 3M to pay for your Netflix with ads. But who likes ads? Netflix costs $215.88 a year without ads. This means that you need to have $11,993 invested to pay for your Netflix with ads, and I know what you are thinking. This is too much. And I know that it is, but there are also better stocks to invest in, but they are riskier. The stock I mentioned earlier is Realty Income. It is still a great stock with a dividend history of 30 plus years, but that is not the same as an history of 100 years. Realty Income pays an annual dividend of 5.72%. This is more than 3 times what 3M pays, but they are a little less steady in comparison with 3M. So now the big question, how much do I need to invest to get my Netflix for free? Netflix costs $95.88 with ads, and without ads, it is $215.88. This means that you need to have $1,676.22 invested to be able to pay for Netflix with ads. If you do not like ads, you need to have $3,774.12 invested in Realty Income to be able to get your Netflix for free. Now, these numbers are looking a lot more realistic. Just by saving $140 a month, you can have enough invested in a year to get Netflix with ads for free. Now, you probably want to know where you can invest your money. For me, because I'm in Europe, I would recommend trading two. 1, 2, because they are easy to use and reliant. If you live in America, I would recommend Robinhood because they are also reliant and easy to use. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you don't want to miss future videos.